Today I'm going to show you 3-point turn. Make sure you also practice in a very quiet street. Do not practice close to any corners or any side street. Okay, now I'm going to show you 3-point turn practically on the road. Please do it in a safe street and look properly. It will help you to pass the test easily. First of all, start the car, change the gear to D, scan the whole street, no vehicle should come. Then you put the right indicator on for 5 seconds. Check over the shoulder to the left side mirror, center mirror, and right side of the mirror, and check over the shoulder to the right. So no vehicle is coming. Then turn the wheel to the right all the way. Keep scanning. Go as close as possible to the curb. Do not hit the curb. Do not use any driveway, and do not mount the curb also. Then turn the wheel to the left all the time. Keep looking. And then turn the wheel to the right side. Change the gear. And you go. That was 3-point turn. Make sure you start to do 3-point turn when there is no vehicle coming. And once you start it, if any vehicle come, they will stop and give way to you. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have got any questions, please do write us. And please drive safely on the road, and I will see you next time.